Hey everyone, it's your boy Archie here. So today's tutorial is basically going to cover how to open up a Forex trading account. Now for the sake of this tutorial, I'm going to be covering how to open up a demo account. However, if you wish to open up a live account, all you need to do is follow the exact same steps. The only difference is you open a live account instead of a demo trading account. So the first thing you'd want to do is open up the website. If you're interested in open up MyFXTM and interested in using this as your preferred broker, I also have a description in the link below. Please click and it will direct you into the website. So once you're in the website, your next thing you'd want to do is open up an account. Under open an account, you're going to have your registration details. So once you've clicked your registration details, you input your phone number, email address and desired password. The next thing you would do is basically click on send pin. Once you've clicked on send pin, they're going to send you a four number password to your mobile number stated here. You would input that value and click register now. Once you've done that, they're going to send you an email confirming that you have opened up an FXTM account with your login details. Once that is done, you're going to come back to the website, but this time go on login, put in your email address and password, and then it's going to redirect you to your FXTM portal. Once you're in your FXTM portal, pay attention to all the services on the left side of the screen. You're going to see my account, my money, my platform, etc. Okay, so what you're going to do is go to my account, open a new account, and this landing page would display. Under open an account, you would have three options: FXTM standards, FXTM ECN accounts, and demo trading account. Now for the sake of this tutorial, we're going to be creating a demo trading account. So to create a demo trading account, you click on select. You have various accounts type to choose from. I would recommend you choose FXTM ECN MT4 if you're using an MT4 platform, and FXTM ECN MT5 if you're using an MT5 platform. Okay, and then below is the account currency you wish to be trading in. Your leverage as a beginner, I would recommend 1:100. You input your trading account password and then the initial balance you wish to start with. I would also recommend $1,000 if you are a beginner. Once you've done that, you simply click on open account. You would be sent an email confirmation of your demo login details, just like this. Once you've received this, you're going to take this login details and key into your MT4 or MT5. So once you opened up your MT5 or MT4, you're going to go to file, log into a trade account, put in the login details provided in your email address, password of the login details you chose while registering, and then the server as per the email sent. And in this case, my server was Forex FXTN ECN demo. Click on login. Once you've done that, it's going to log you into your demo trading account. Now, just to confirm that it is active, you would see connection status just like this. If it's not connected, this would display no connection. What I would recommend is try and log in again, or try and reset your internet access, or shut down the application and turn back the application. If you do not know how to download an MT4 platform, I also have a video tutorial in the link below that would teach you how to open up an MT4 account and teach you how to set up your MT4 account to look exactly like this. Now if you find this video useful, please click on the like button, and thank you for subscribing. Once again everyone, good luck with your trading journey.